Learning to play an instrument, namely the guitar, was the best thing I've ever done. It's the gift that keeps on giving. Throughout the many stages of my life, it keeps giving back. The first thing it did was it gave my dad and I something in common to do. That's who taught me to play guitar. The guitar led me to start performing. I was always a shy person, hated giving speeches, hated having all eyes on me. But I started playing open mics because I wanted it so, I wanted to be like the people that I was listening to so badly that it forced me to overcome my fears. The guitar allowed me to express my feelings through songwriting. And where I have felt like I overshare in my personal life, in my real life, and that's not cool or acceptable, there's one place that it is, and that's in art. The guitar ended up getting me in writers' rooms in Nashville, you know. I took a stab at writing country music.
She might be somewhere smoking Mountain, North Carolina, nowhere Mississippi where I'll never find her, just south of Dallas trying to find where the highway ends.
And now at 51, I'm teaching other people to play guitar, and the beauty of passing the gift of music along to the new generations coming up. My bonus grandson got a harmonica, a little toy harmonica in his stocking for Christmas. And then I figured it was a C harmonica in the key of C, so just knowing what I know about guitar, I knew, okay, he can blow on this thing and he's really not gonna hit a wrong note. I just gotta play in the key of C with him. And we jammed out. He had his first jam session at 6 years old.
Try to play a little faster. Maybe we'll do like a faster song. And then you just do what you do, okay? Okay.
And I hope that impacts him the way me playing with my father impacted me. And I hope he carries on and picks it up, whether it's harmonica, piano, singing, all of it, drums, whatever. It's just, you see it fewer and fewer with the new generation wanting to pick up an instrument, and it's a beautiful thing when it happens. So learning to play guitar is magical. It's the best thing I've ever done. It compounds year after year, decade after decade in new ways that I never saw coming. And it's something that no one can ever take away from me. I might not be headlining stadiums, but all the things I've mentioned previously have given me a life of joy. And I hope I have many more years of joy and new things to discover with this instrument. If you would like a piece of that magic for yourself, I implore you, do it. If you've been thinking about playing guitar, do it. Try it. Start out. It's not instantaneous, but man, again, it's the gift that keeps on giving. If you're interested in having me help you, check out the link in the comments and the description.